country, after so many years of independence and so many years of, you see, we being using the footwear sizes which have been given to us by maybe UK, US or France or many other nations. For the first time, you see, under the leadership of our Prime Minister, a new dimension has been given to the thought process, to the vision, whereby we are creating our own Indian standards for size and all. And we are not talking about it as a theory, only as a slogan. And in virtually every field, there is that strategy and the determination to actually make ourselves self-reliant. And today, the action around this has also started because the institution, this institution has plans to do a nationwide survey in almost 93 to 95 districts, covering rural areas, covering urban areas, all across India, and do this survey with 1 lakh people, assess their foot size with the latest scientific principles, and then develop these size parameters for India. Prime Minister, he gave a clarion call for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we actually showed to the whole world that we are an Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are no longer going to import the testing kits. We are no longer going to import the masks or the PPE kits or the ventilators, or we exported drugs to over 150 countries. We isolated the virus. We started the genome sequencing. A lot of people are talking about this genome sequencing happening in other places like UK and all, where we have got this mutation, etc. But in our country, we were doing this genome testing of the virus even in the CSIR labs, and we started it much earlier, 5-6 months back, 7 months back. We created biorepositories. We started working on the vaccines. The vaccine research and vaccine development process has given us these 2 new vaccines in the year 2021, and now when I am talking to you, we are in the process of actually delivering the vaccine, an Indian vaccine, to the people of India.